Hello there, welcome to Human DIY. I'm your host, Chris.
Features.
And today, in this video, I am building this amazing office space that I'm currently standing in. Now, previously, it was this crazy back closet sort of deal for my friend's doctor's office, a chiropractor doctor's office. And so he wanted to take it and make it into this nice space. He didn't have too many requirements besides having a space for a desk, having a standing desk space, and having a lot of storage. And so I went through a couple of designs, drew it up for him. We chose IKEA. A bunch of their materials were in stock, so that was awesome. It's rather cheap, so that's awesome. And it will be good. It's a back room, so nothing fancy. And so we decided on what I was going to build, and then we took that and ordered, and I bought all the stuff, and then I built it. And so thank y'all for stopping by and for watching this video and watching me transform this ugly, nasty, crazy space into this nice, lovely space. Let's jump to the build.
Feature presentation. Fired up the pistons for the prince. I feel like Tayshaun. Business trips to Hollywood. I don't do no vacation. When the drop go
Hello there. This is officially my last day of working at my full-time job. And so it's an exciting day. Makes me nervous and scared a little bit. But we're here and we're getting it. So let me show you the back here. So here's the office. So you can tell it's pretty small, but I'm putting a whole bottom cabinets, top cabinets, bottom, top, a sink, and making it look nice. But yeah, should be a fun project. Thank y'all for being here. Make sure you like and subscribe. And I'm also working on a small bathroom renovation that is not done yet, but should be soon. So keep an eye out for that. And yeah, let's get into the project. Always bleeding. Something. Oh man, I'm tired, and I have basically 3 more cabinets to put together. The back's hurting. It's been a long day. It is, what time is it? 6:40. So I've gotten a lot done in a little bit of time, a few hours. There was a little bit of change of plans. I was gonna paint first, but I think I'm gonna paint last, and only paint part of it. I also need to run to the store to get some anchors and hooks, and I need to grab my stud finder and some filler, sheetrock filler. I need to write that down. Alright, cool. So I think I'm gonna put these 2 together and then call it a day, and then be here all tomorrow. So I will probably see y'all in the morning. Good morning, folks. It is the next day, and back in the office, workroom office, and I am starting to install the cabinets onto the wall. So it's exciting. Moving pretty quick on this. Hopefully I can get most of this done today, and then I can install the countertops tomorrow. But if I haven't mentioned, these are from IKEA. And so I have a metal bar to put here to hang it, and then I'll do the top ones. And so let's just get into it. I quickly realized that I did not have the proper tools to cut this metal bar, so I said screw it and decided to get some anchors and just put it into the drywall. And these anchors hold up to, it was like 120 pounds, so 2 of them in the top cabinets and the bottom should be plenty for what they're storing in here.
For the rest of the night, some things they have the upper hand in my mind, running me around thinking that you're mine. Put me down while you have a finger pointing at me. Put me down while you have a finger pointing at me. Why you lie to me? I don't know why you're lying. Why you lie to me? I don't know why you're lying. Why you lie to me?
I was totally trying to put in the wrong hinges here on this door, and I was like, crap, I ordered the wrong ones. But I did find the ones that I needed. The other hinges were for the big door on the big cabinet. Overall, these hinges were really simple to put in. Hello there. It's not really that dark in here, but it is 2:20. Focus, focus, focus. And I've done a lot of work in here. Aren't these doors really nice? I think they're nice. But I had a problem with this wall. There's a metal sheet here, and I dug a little bit bigger hole here. There's a metal sheet, and I'm curious if there's plumbing behind it. Because if there is, then I might be screwed. It might have caused a bigger problem. But there's a top cabinet supposed to go here, right in this cozy little space here. Yeah, I hope I didn't cause another problem so that I can get this finished up. But I'm moving moving along pretty good. I think my wife's going up here to hang out for a sec. But yeah, it's been a pretty good day. Wish there was a window in this office because it's really kind of weird back here. Maybe I should have put one in for them. What do you think? Let me know in the comments if I should put a surprise window in their office. Alrighty, let me get back to it.
Straws or chips, like a noob.
No chips?
I'm gonna go to, it's like right around the corner. I'm gonna go back. So annoying.
Are you sure you want to go back?
Chips and straws?
Did you get the chips?
I got the chips. It's for the baby.
Oh, nice. Wow.
Juice? Juice?
I don't know. What do you think?
I like it. Say hi.
I was thinking about painting like here.
Yeah.
So like this, there will be no. So countertop.
Hey, what are you doing?
Okay. Eating apples. Okay, love you.
Bye.
Alrighty, the family's gone, and Dr. Peter came by and confirmed that I'm good here. We found out there's a couple pipes above. One should go straight into the sink here, and then one should go into this washer area back here that isn't being used. And so there should be no pipes running across for any reason. He doesn't think so, I don't think so, so I'm just gonna put this last one up and hope nothing spews. There was no problem with me installing that cabinet, which is amazing. And so I moved on to these handles, and you'll see me making this little template here that really helped get the handle straight, and I could do it to all of the cabinets. Highly suggest doing this. Look at that. Yikes. Well, goodness. Look at that. Should have drilled the other way, I guess. Wow. Hey, check these bad boys out. This should cover up the mistake that I made. Look at that. So much better. Alrighty there. It is 6:03 and I got a lot done. As you can see behind me, it's kind of blown out, but I need to do the countertops. I need to put some shelves in here, connect it to the wall. I need to paint. It should be a pretty full day tomorrow as well. But I gotta go to church Saturday night, going to church. Yes, I know, Saturday church. You know, God still is alive on Saturday. So, anyways, I got service on Saturday. So I'm gonna go there, hang out, and we'll be back tomorrow. So I'll see you then. Good morning. It's day 3 out here, and I'm driving to the office. Driving and talking. It's early. It's daylight savings as well, so it's technically like 6 something. But really it was like 7 yesterday, so you know, some stupid daylight saving time. Anyway, day 3, got the countertops here, kind of blocking my view. We are installing these cabinets, doing the sink, and getting it done today. So I'm excited to see it finished up. Hope you're excited too. Alrighty, that's all I have for this morning. Hope you're just, you know, having a great day. And I will see you when I start building them. Okay. Hello friends. Get some better light here. Alrighty. It is about noon, I think. 11:30. Been Home Depot twice already because of this plumbing over here has been a pain. And now I have the wrong P-trap connection to this type of drain. Now we need a different one for this. Yeah. So I'm gonna run back up and get that. But in the meantime, I finished the shelving here, and I put some shelving in there because IKEA was out of stock on that big shelving. So I just made something temporary for them. Should be okay. I should have gone like 3/4 for a shelf, but I don't know. It should be good. I don't know what they're storing on here. Nothing super heavy, hopefully. I'll be Gucci, so I might be done by lunch, or like one-ish, but I gotta go back to Home Depot, which is very unfortunate. So, see y'all when I get back.
One tip if you're a DIYer for plumbing, make sure you do a dry fit before gluing it all together.
Feel like this. Pretty crazy, but got a problem there. Alright, we're about to turn on the sink and check to see if things are working properly. Oh, just got lightheaded. I think we're good though, which is amazing. Praise God. Only 4 trips to Home Depot. My goodness. Hate plumbing. Terrible at it, but I'm getting better. Well, I just opened the paint and it's like white. I guess to paint the room. I thought it was gonna be their blue color that they have highlighted in the space, but it's not. So, might have to come back and paint. Alrighty friends, it is like 3 something in the afternoon Sunday, and I got most of it done. Look at this beauty. Get the soft close. Come over here. This is for, I still need to paint this wall, but you know how it goes. Got the sink all going. Look at that. Standing desk area. And then some more cabinets. Got a plug down there. Leftover supplies. Painting. So it's looking good. I'm proud of it. Happy with it. I'm a little disappointed that the paint situation got messed up, but that's okay. See what he wants to do about that, and then we'll go from there. So, yeah, it's been a long day. It's been a long weekend. But yeah, I'm excited, so I'll come back sometime this week and paint it, and then we should be good. So, thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all at the end of this video. Hello friends, it is currently pretty late and I got back from a basketball game just a second and we won. I changed my stuff so I didn't look all nasty, but I still got my basketball shoes on. Anyway, I finished painting over here, back there. You can't really see because it is very, very light gray blue. So it looks good. I think it looks good. And I already did some of the walkthrough, but just a couple more things. One was this desk area that the client wanted. They already put product on the shelf, and they already put some stuff in here. Look at that. And so everyone seems really happy with it so far. There's some more stuff. So that's awesome, and they got stuff in the big boy too. And then they got this. That's not gonna stay there. But they are going to get us a mini fridge for this little area right here, which I put a plug in, not a plug, but extension cord from back behind here to in there. So anyway, thank y'all so much for stopping by. This first client project was a lot of fun. I had a lot of fun designing it, a lot of fun building it. It was a challenge. It was a multi-day project, but it was great. So thank y'all for stopping by. Thank y'all for watching. And make sure y'all hit that like and subscribe. And I will see y'all out there. Toodaloo.
Switch up, then they video. We on an imminent rise. Life written on a big screen. Free cinema eyes. Why? Yeah, oh my. This be the cheat code when I wrote this.